Hello mga kabeks, Nas Mendoza is in the house. Oh my goodness, he is absolutely on fire, as in lumalagablab talaga ang kanyang katawan guys. Yung lower portion niya showcase ang pagiging bukol na bukol, as in intensely hot, super hunk, ultimate hunk talaga, as in siya talaga ang pinaka super guwapo, super hot, super hunk, tapos makinis pa talaga yung skin complexion niya guys. Kahit saang anggulo siya tingnan is absolutely perfect na perfect talaga, 101% perfect ang dating. As in gumutan ano lang ka sa iya guys, makaingon lang ka, swerte gyud sa iyang partner kasi he is 101% perfect ba naman. Nas Mendoza, ibang hatag, ibang aliw talaga, as in kumutanaw kasi guys, makalunok laway ka na lang talaga, to tell you honestly. He is grabe, as in makaingon juga, absolutely on fire siya dyan sa isa sa pinaka hot, pinaka super hunk, super guwapo, super hot na mga bikini contestants sa Pilipinas. He is intensely famous talaga guys, absolutely wisely body figure, kagwapuhan, kakisigan, asin machete talaga ang ating makaingon lang yung ka, makalunok laway ka na lang talaga sa kanyang body figure, as in murag yun siya uguan kasi kanang goddess of all Cosmo Kings, as in he is absolutely on fire, lumalagablab, umaapoy, as in kahit anong tindi, kahit sa ang angulo siya tingnan, absolutely on fire talaga si Nas Mendoza guys. He is intensely hot, hunk, as in abs, muscles, biceps, absolutely on fire. Makaingon na lang dyan ka na, perfection is better talaga. Kasi kung saan talaga siya tingnan, kasi mo, as in ingon na lang dyan ka, kalami na lang dyan niya. Uy, as in makahot, makahang. Kahit anong underwear, kahit anong kulay ng underwear suotin niya or bikini pa man yan guys, as in wasak talaga inumat, as in umututok na lang gid ka sa iya ha, as in eye capture talaga ang dating pagmugawas sa stage. Kahit sa ang anggulo talaga guys, ang sarap talaga ni Nas Mendoza, intensely super hot.